In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Drive files to an external hard drive. We're going to go through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to securely transfer your files. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Once there, you'll find all your files neatly organized. It's important that you're logged into the correct Google account to access the files you wish to back up. Make sure everything is set up on your browser to allow Google Drive to function seamlessly. With that done, the next step is to select the files you want to back up. You can do this by left-clicking on individual files, or if you prefer, holding down the Control key to select multiple files, or Shift key for a consecutive list of files. Remember, the files you select are what will be downloaded and stored on your external drive, so double check to ensure you've got everything you want to back up. Once you have your files selected, look towards the top of your Google Drive window. You'll see a downward pointing arrow, which is the download icon. Click on this icon to initiate the download process. Depending on the number of files and their sizes, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, so be patient. Google Drive will conveniently package these files into a zip folder for you. Now that your files are downloaded, they'll be located in the default download location on your device, typically the Downloads folder. You can choose to either leave these files zipped or extract them, depending on your preference. It's worth noting that leaving them zipped can save space, but it may be easier to access specific files if they're extracted, so choose what works best for you. Let's move on to connecting your external hard drive to your device. Once your external hard drive is connected, you should see it pop up in your File Explorer, usually labeled with the brand name or a drive letter. Make sure there's enough space on your external drive for all the files you've downloaded. Next, navigate to where your downloaded Google Drive files are located. Simply right-click the zip folder or the files themselves, copy them, and then move to your external drive's location. Once there, right-click again and select Paste. Your files will now begin transferring to the external hard drive. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of the files. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your Google Drive files to an external hard drive. Remember, regularly backing up your important files ensures their safety and gives you peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in and following along.